To add Suica with Google Pay, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Google Pay and that you have the latest version of the Google Pay app installed. Next, open the Google Pay app and tap on the plus sign to add a new card. Select Transit and then Suica as the card type. You will then be prompted to enter your Suica card information, including the card number and expiration date, which can be found on the back of your Suica card. If you do not have a physical Suica card, you can also purchase a virtual Suica card through the Google Pay app. To do this, select the option to purchase a new Suica card and follow the prompts to complete the purchase. Once you have entered your Suica card information or completed the purchase of a new card, you will need to set up a secure payment method to link to your Suica card. This can be done by adding a credit or debit card to your Google Pay account. Once your payment method is set up, you can use your Suica card with Google Pay to ride public transportation in Japan, including subways, buses, and trains. To use your Suica card, simply wake up your device and hold it near the reader at the train station or on the bus. You will see the transaction details on your device, including the amount deducted from your Suica card balance. It is also a good idea to regularly check your Suica card balance and transaction history through the Google Pay app to ensure that everything is up to date and accurate. By following these steps, you can easily add Suica with Google Pay and start using your device to ride public transportation. In Japan, this convenient and easy-to-use system allows you to travel seamlessly throughout the country, without the need for a physical ticket or cash.